Right. Well, taking that as the unknown plane I've just seen apparently, but unfortunately that wasn't on so as you can see, that plane here I've just actually saw, that was Robin DR.400-180, that was, which that registration I just saw apparently, which that was G-CDBM, that was. Obviously that's not on Flywear 20, that's not on ADXB exchange or something anyway. As you can see, it's not on Flywear 24, and you can see it's not on Plane Fighter as well. Which is strange though, to be fair, because I know the other day it did used to be on Plane Fighter, it did used to be on the plane tracking apps, but obviously as you can see it's not on Plane Fighter and it's definitely not on ADXB. So this must be the unknown plane that we usually see apparently. So that was G-CDBM, that was. Yeah, as you can see, that was that plane I've just seen apparently. That was, as you can see, that was CAB DR.400-180 regen, that is. And you can see the rate I've just saw there, that was G-CDBM, which I think that one I've just seen apparently. That one I've definitely just seen apparently, but especially saw it just turning around anyway, but doesn't tell me what height it flew in that apparently, but this is the one that took off at Pamporth Airfield. I think this is the one that come from his base to Pamporth Airfield. You can see here, look, that's not here though, that's Porthtown Airfield, there it is, that's Pamporth Airfield. That's where we first saw that plane actually, but that's come from Pamporth Airfield by the looks of it. So yeah, so that wasn't on the tracking app apparently, because that was the unknown plane I've just seen apparently, which that race was G-CDBM, that was, which I've just actually seen the registration of that apparently, which but to start with I couldn't see the registration, but now because we managed to see it hovering around just above my house, so yeah, luckily enough though. Okay, so yep, so that was the CAB Robin DR.400-180 region, the registration G-CDBM, that was. Okay, so yep, unfortunately that's not on the plane fighter tracking app, unfortunately, because that's not on there, which is a shame though. Shame because one of the prior planes are not actually on the plane fighter apps apparently, but that's not even on there, which is very strange to be fair. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.